Let's replace the toner on the Brother multifunction color laser printer, model number MFC-L8850CDW. We are replacing with genuine Brother toner cartridges, which is a high yield set of cyan, magenta, and yellow. Links are in the description below. According to Brother, there are 6 basic steps to replacing the toner cartridges. The first step is to open the front cover by pressing down on the plastic button and pulling down on the assembly, then sliding out the tray holding the 4 toner cartridges. The cartridges come out very easily. You simply lift up and the cartridge pops right out. I decided to put the yellow cartridge back in place so that I could unbox the brand new cartridges. This took some time since each cartridge was very carefully packed. I did shake each cartridge, a holdover perhaps from replacing toner cartridges over many years. I did not see the Brother documentation saying the cartridge needed to be shaken. I just decided to shake it anyway. Once the unboxing of the cartridges is complete, each of the old cartridges should now be removed. Slide the tab at the left side of each toner bay to the right and snap it back in place at the left side. Remove the plastic cover on each new toner cartridge and begin placing the 3 color toner cartridges to the appropriate slot in the bay. Finally, slide the tray back into the machine and lift the cover and put it back into place. The printer will make some noise at this point as it accepts the new toner cartridges and gets itself back into operational mode. Once the printer warms up, the please wait should turn back into the home screen. Congratulations, the job is complete. Simply take the plastic covers and replace them onto the used toner cartridges and pack them away for recycling.
If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.